Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a little bit of welding, but first I want to get this welding cart assembled. I need it because I have two welders. I have a MIG and a TIG, and every time I need to use a different one, I got to switch everything on the cart. So I bought a second cart. So let's see if we can do that magic thing. Oh, it worked. Kind of a long day today, getting a little late doing the video. Got the cart together, got the TIG welder on it. It's been a while since I've TIG welded, so I'm going to try to brush back up on my skills today. Do a little bit of welding on the chassis. I might try to throw the dash panel in this thing and make some standoffs for it to bolt to attach it. Something to do, something different to look at. Got the couple hats made, kind of a trial run. Hopefully you can see it. I'm pretty happy with it. Put it in the comments if you like it. What would you do different? Whatever. Make sure you guys are following me. Share, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. It doesn't cost anything to do it, and it helps the channel. We are rapidly growing. I'm averaging like 50 to 60 subscribers a day. It's awesome. I could not be happier. Thank you guys for following.
Not too bad.
Pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Took about 3 welds to get back in a rhythm, but I'm definitely happy with it. Like I said, this week's video is going to be kind of short. Next weekend, I have plans to do something a little different, so we'll do a little bit more welding here and get something out at least for someone to look at. Not too bad. Pretty happy with that. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for today. We'll see you next week.